Hit the ramp! Hit the ramp!
I was not doing that, bro. Hell no, I wasn't doing that. Used to try to Honda, now I'm sipping Fanta. Ooh, I know you wanna, Karma Wanda. I just watched Wakanda, Moana, Obama. Sipping Karma Wanda, I might just need a Fanta.
You got the fresh cut?
And then,
Let me see. Turn around, turn around. Okay.
damn, Puerto Rican papi. What's up, guys?
Hey, what's good, brother?
How are you?
What's up?
Good, brother. What's up, man? I'm ready, man. Let's get it.
Redemption?
Redemption. I'm gonna hit something. I'm gonna jump something.
I think I'm gonna jump something like how you was jumping shit though this time. Like I'm gonna just.
Oh shit.
No,
I'm
you
feeling
won't.
dangerous.
No, you
I
won't.
feel dangerous this time.
He got the boots on, the boot scooting boogies. That's good, that's good, bro.
How you doing? Dasher.
That's
This is Bill.
Bill, nice
Stevie. That's Joey.
What's up, what's up? It is bricks out here, man.
Stupid cool, bro. You guys see the jersey I'm about to pull out on?
What's in the trunk? What's in the trunk?
It's in the trunk.
They call me Booby Miles, dickhead. Yeah.
We used to be like,
Oh shit! Damn, warm me first. Welcome to my crib, yeah. Hey, chill with the booze at 511. They're $150. You know what I'm saying? You know how they're gonna come up. This is my room. You know what I'm saying? I got my pillow over here. You know what I'm saying? I got my Listerine.
I forgot my blanket. Is there a Walmart close by?
I need a blanket.
So, hey, I got you with a blanket. I got you here. I got you with a blanket.
Nigga. Nigga, what is this?
That's exclusive.
It's like that
man.
drum when you sleep over your friend's crib and they don't give you no blanket. You just gotta go like this.
That's exclusive. You know what I'm saying? That went biting out of the juice.
How you doing?
The good man
Chill,
himself.
I'm ugly. Chill.
Let me borrow that beard. Let me borrow that beard.
You gon' roll the days, you gon' send the raw day. Golden hour. Used to try to Honda, now I'm sipping Fanta. Ooh, I know you wanna, Karma Wanda. I just watched Wakanda, Moana, Obama. Sipping Karma Wanda, I might just need a Fanta. Used to try to Honda, now I'm sipping. You won't let me holler, looking for La Fonda. Used to try to Honda, now I'm with Ohana. Big tipping off for real, chillin' with Ohana, out in California.
See what I'm talking about?
Throw me open eyes up.
Look, man. So we getting on the lift. And then I tried to use my stick, you feel me, to go forward. But it ended up getting caught under this nigga board. And he bust his fucking ass.
Come on, Dad, too.
They had
Like
to stop
real bad.
They had to stop the lift and everything. That's how bad he bust his ass. Couple more and he's out.
Hey, yo, we just full send this shit.
Nah, I'm with Ohana. Big tipping off for real. Chillin' with Ohana. Out in California. Smoking on some Ajna. Throw me open eyes up. Throw me open eyes up. I just watched Wakanda, Moana. Sipping Karma Wanda. I just need a Fanta. I was not doing that, bro. Hell no, I wasn't doing that.
I'm crying. Hold on. My boy fell so hard he ripped his pants, yo. Why?
Hey, y'all get that?
They run pants.
Yo, he's crazy. He's crazy. How are you feeling?
I want to go home. Let's fly. Always works before. But today, not so much.
All right, it's our last run before we go to lunch. Third time's a charm. They said they'll try to do the same ramps that they tried to do before. Hope it goes well. Good there? Up! Oh!
I think I might need some stitches.
Oh, that is pretty gnarly. Ew!
Yeah. Hey, Let's Fly Boys is out of the arsenal.
How you feeling, bro?
I got a stiff neck. It hurts.
Yeah, we can either go tip to tip or butt to butt.
You said what?
Oh, you recording? Oh, dude.
He said tip to butt.
Whoa, what? That's crazy.
I got my neck.
Oh my god. Somebody got sleeping in the hallway.
It's one of those college beds, bro.
Bro, what?
Come here, big fella. Come here, Isaac.
Oh, that's gay.
Get in here too. What's up? You trying to come here? Damn right.
What the fuck is going on in here?
Here. Second day, feeling hilarious, but we gotta be here, you know. We already paid for the ticket.
Wonder, 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 wonder.
I'm ready to send it. I found your skis.
Bro,
Ow!
bro, look at my, bro. Look how I'm on this tree, nigga. Bro, look at my, bro.
Hold on.
Bro, this, I
Give
think
me-
it just
give
leg
me a leg.
over.
Give me your leg.
Oh,
How'd you get it?
bro, I couldn't stop. Where my skis at? I'm not going down here no more, dog. Never again, I swear. Hey, you're not sliding into me. My leg! My leg!
You know
got
taking this back to Grace. I'm taking your car
Nigga,
back.
I got a turtle head, man. I got a boo boo. And we just sitting there waiting.
I don't know what they doing, bro.
If you have some toilet paper, I can go in the woods. Something.
I got a boo-boo.
Update. Mountain 7. Bill 0.
Hey, Datu. Datu, you good?